Hi, welcome to this video. I'm going to guide you through how to write better ChatGPT prompts using chain of thought or COT. COT prompting is a technique that asks ChatGPT to show its reasoning step by step rather than jumping straight to the final answer. By breaking complex tasks into smaller logical parts, you reduce hallucinations, prevent guesswork, and drastically improve output accuracy. Now, here's how to master this technique to get the best possible results from ChatGPT. Step 1. Use the zero-shot approach. The simplest way to implement COT is to explicitly tell the model to slow down and explain its logic. Simply append one of these prompts, right? Or one of these phrases to the end of your prompt. So you could say, let's think step by step, right? Or explain your reasoning before answering, or work through this problem systematically and in detail. Step 2, instruct with explicit steps, right? For highly technical, multi-constraint, or creative problems, guide ChatGPT by outlining the exact stages of the thought process you want it to take, right? Like, solve the following math problem, right? First, list out the known variables, right? Second, outline the formula you will use. Third, show the step-by-step calculation. Right? Finally, provide the final answer. Right? Basically, that's it. Step number 3, assign an expert role, right? Aligning the intent of your prompt with a specific persona changes how the model evaluates and changes its thought, right? Like, for example, act as a senior, right, financial expert, right? Evaluate this investment portfolio by first listing the explicit, right, assumptions. I know I'm saying right a lot, so excuse me if that frustrates you. Then calculating the risk to reward ratio using step-by-step method. And finally, providing your executive recommendation. Alright, basically that's it. Consider liking this video, subscribe, it really helps the channel. Till next time.